Hi everybody, I wanted to come on here and share with you some very exciting news from my studios. So those of you that haven't seen me before, I'm Nikki. I am a wildlife, pet portrait and botanical artist, and I'm based in Horncastle in the UK, in the beautiful rural Lincolnshire. So my big announcement for you all is that after many of you have been in touch and asked me about being able to bring my workshops to you in more locations, some of which have been from other countries as well, which has been incredible. Thank you ever so much for your amazing feedback and support with my artwork. I can now reveal, very excited, that I am now officially on Patreon. So I have set up a Patreon page. On there you'll be able to have a look at what I'm getting up to in the studio. There's two different tiers to help sponsor me and continue my artwork and be able to bring you lots more tutorials. So I've got two tiers. Tier 1 is just to support the artist, and it's an amount each month that will help me continue to do what I do. I'd like to eventually be able to save up and buy an incredible camera so I can capture more of the beautiful wildlife around me, and then share those pictures with you with a big online library. And tier 2 is my tutorials. So many of you have asked me whether you'd be able, or whether I'd be able, to actually put together some form of online platform, something where you can join me from the comfort of your own home and learn to paint and draw along with myself. So here I am, a big reveal. Yes, I'm on Patreon. I'll put all the links and details on there for you. So I hope you can join me. I'm so excited, and I've been working really hard to start putting together some really helpful tutorials to take you through different techniques in watercolour. I'm also going to be putting on there my drawing classes as well, and there'll be a whole library now being built by myself to share with you all the skills and knowledge and experience that I've gained over the years. And I want to create a really friendly community like we have here. My face-to-face art classes have become just incredible, and so many friendships have been formed, and I've met so many wonderful people, all like-minded, loving wildlife, loving creating together. And I want to be able to create that online too. So welcome to UNikkiCreations Patreon channel. I hope you can join me. Thank you all so much for the support that you've given me so far. Don't panic, I won't be changing any of my face-to-face classes. They will still be carrying on. And I will still be doing all the shows and the exhibitions and creating artwork behind the scenes for you to enjoy as well, and creating all my giftware. But I also want to be able to help more of you love art as much as I do. It's incredibly helpful for well-being, mental health. I find it really relaxing. So to be able to share that with you, share my passion, share my enthusiasm, and enable you to gain the confidence to be able to create beautiful pictures in the comfort of your own home, I'm very excited for you to join me. So pop on over, see my Patreon channel. It's obviously in its early stages at the moment. I'm working on lots of tutorials as we speak, and as soon as they're ready, I will be uploading them for you to enjoy at home. And keep in touch. Please tell me how you're getting on. Tell me what you think of the channel. Give me ideas of tutorials you'd like me to do. And I just can't wait to take this next sort of step in the journey of UNikkiCreations. As you know, I'm so passionate about doing this, so to be able to share that with you and for you to join me and have just as much fun making things as I do, yeah, I can't wait. So I'm so excited. So yeah, big reveal. It's finally here. So come on down, join me at Patreon, and yeah, I can't wait to show you what I've been getting up to. So take care, have a wonderful day.